What is persuasive writing? Persuasive writing tells your opinion. It has a topic sentence that states your opinion. It tries to make people feel the same way you do about the topic. It gives facts and examples to support your opinion. Persuasive writing has a conclusion that restates your opinion. I'm going to show you 3 examples of persuasive writing, and they're all about getting a dog. Can we get a dog? We have a big decision to make. We can get a dog or a fish. I choose dog because a dog will help to keep our family active. Dogs can help put a smile on our faces when we are sad. There are so many dogs in shelters that need good, loving homes. Our home would be a wonderful place to welcome a new dog. Example 2. I want a dog. I really want a dog. Here are 3 reasons why. It would be fun to play with a dog. Dogs like to cuddle. All my friends have dogs. That is why I want a dog. Example 3. Let's get a dog. Do you think I can have a dog? Let me tell you why I should be able to get my very own dog. Having a dog takes a lot of time and work. I will be responsible for cleaning up after the dog and feeding him twice a day. It will also be my job to take him on a daily walk. I've shown I can be responsible by doing my homework every night and cleaning my room on the weekends. How will the dog know proper behavior? I'll teach him. It will be my responsibility to take the dog to obedience school and help with the training at home. I've been practicing for baseball every day so I can get better, and I will do the same thing with the dog. I know it will take a lot of my time to help with the dog, but I also know that I can do it. You have seen how responsible I am with my own belongings and homework. Please, can I have a dog? So all 3 of these are good examples of how to write a persuasive letter or a note or paragraphs to convince someone to let you get a dog. 2 of these examples are better than 1. This one here, example number 1, is a really good one. Example 2 is okay. This might be where some people might start with writing persuasive opinions about something, but example 1 or even example 2 is how we would like a 3rd grader to write a persuasive writing by the time we're finished with the whole unit. Okay? So if this is where we start writing this week, that's okay. That's okay. Knowing that we're going to grow as writers so that we can write like example 1 or example 2. In school, we came up with a list of ideas that we might want to write persuasive letters about. No homework the last 2 weeks of school. Electronics day. Gum in class, being able to chew it. Having a movie day. Having lunch outside. Having a pajama party. 10 minutes dance party. Outside learning day. Having a pizza party. Having extended recess. Having a read to self outside day. Maybe having a craft day. Any snacks that we want the last week of school. And having candy on the last day of school. Now, these are not the only things that someone might want to choose to write a persuasive piece about. These are just some ideas that we came up very quickly with one day last week. So, here's your task. The first thing I want you to do is watch the movie that's underneath this video. It's a movie about persuasive writing. Just a little short one, a couple minutes long. Then You can follow this format in your writing notebook or on a piece of paper. It doesn't make any difference which. We say that when you're using your thoughts to write a persuasive writing, you can think of Oreo, that good cookie you like to dip in milk. Oreo is spelled O-R-E-O, just like the beginnings on this graphic organizer, your opinion. So you would state your opinion for whatever you choose to write about. So maybe I'm going to try to convince mom and dad to let me stay up later. So maybe my opinion would be, I think that I should have a later bedtime. We know something is an opinion when we use the words like think, feel, or believe. So I think I should have a later bedtime. Then you would give a reason, and here would be mine. I should have a later bedtime because I am getting older. Examples. If I have a later bedtime, I could make sure that I have all of my stuff ready for school the next day. If I have a later bedtime, I could spend that time reading before I go to bed. And come up with another example. We always want to try to come up with at least 2, if not 3 examples. And then lastly, you restate your opinion again. It's time for me to have a later bedtime. Now, this is not my whole writing. This is just an organizer where I'm just putting down my thoughts. And then as time goes, I will take those thoughts and I will change it into a writing. But what I want you to do today or one day this week is just think of something that you would like to write a persuasive writing about and fill out a graphic organizer. Or I don't think I put this graphic organizer in your folder. You can just do this on a piece of paper. But you don't need to write anything in paragraphs. These are just phrases. These are just words. These are just thoughts. And as our days and weeks go on, we will take those phrases, words, and thoughts and put it into paragraphs. Okay? Just try to do one. That's all I ask. And make sure you watch that video that is below this one. All right. We'll see you soon.